Have you ever imagined the power of combining two e-commerce giants, Shopify and Amazon? Well, the results can be game-changing. In this video, we're going to unlock the secrets of seamlessly integrating Shopify with Amazon, transforming your online business and maximizing your sales potential. From understanding the basics to taking you through the process step by step, we've got you covered. Whether you're just starting out or you're an e-commerce pro, by the end of this guide, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to harness the combined strength of Shopify and Amazon. So, let's get started and explore the future of e-commerce. What's the Amazon affiliate program anyway? Amazon affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products available on Amazon. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you earn a percentage of the sale. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for the Amazon Associates program before you can start adding affiliate products to your Shopify store. Once approved, you can choose and promote products from Amazon's vast catalog that aligns with your content and audience, and then simply add them to your store with ease. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. There's a whole lot more to Amazon affiliates than what we can cover in this video, so we'll have a link to our free Amazon affiliate training linked in the video description. Why should I integrate Shopify with Amazon? When we talk about integrating Shopify with Amazon, we're delving into a world of opportunity. Integrating them together allows you to list and promote affiliate products from Amazon directly on your Shopify store. And the best part? You earn commissions for every sale made through your referral link. So, why is this integration so crucial for online entrepreneurs? By combining the capabilities of Shopify and Amazon affiliates, you're creating an e-commerce powerhouse. Shopify offers the tools to craft a captivating online store, while Amazon affiliates provides a vast array of products to promote. This synergy means that you can offer a diverse range of products to your audience without the need to manage inventory. And for every product sold through your store's affiliate link, you earn a commission. The benefits of this integration are limitless. With access to Amazon affiliates, your Shopify store can showcase products from various categories, catering to a wide audience. This integration not only diversifies your product range, but also sets up a stream of passive income. And let's not forget the trust factor. Amazon is a globally recognized brand. By promoting products on Amazon, your Shopify store can leverage this trust, leading to higher sales and conversions. In essence, when Shopify meets Amazon affiliates, it's a match made in e-commerce heaven. Shopify is also extremely versatile, as you're not limited to just Amazon affiliate products. If you want to also dropship products, or even list your own that you fulfill yourself, Shopify can let you do all of that seamlessly. Step-by-step integration guide. Let's walk through the process together. Start by setting up your Amazon affiliates account if you don't already have one. Once approved, you'll have access to a dashboard where you can search for products and generate affiliate links. Now, head over to your Shopify store. If you haven't set one up yet, Shopify offers a user-friendly interface to get your store running in no time. We'll have guides on how to get up and running with Amazon affiliates and Shopify linked in the video description. With both platforms ready, it's time to integrate. Go to the Agora app on the Shopify App Store and click Add App. We'll have it linked in the video description as well. You'll be prompted to review the app and install. Click Install App to proceed with the installation. The app will be installed, and you'll be redirected to it. This is where you can start adding products to your store, which is the fun bit, of course. Click the Create button to add your first Amazon product to your store. Grab the link to your Amazon product from the address bar and paste it in the Amazon URL box. Click Search, and the app will then go and retrieve the product listing from Amazon. This can sometimes take up to a minute. Once all of the details have been retrieved, you can edit the product's details to your heart's content. Once you're happy with it, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Your product will be imported to your site, which can take up to a minute. To make sure you receive your affiliate commissions, make sure to set your Amazon Associate ID under Settings. You can find your Associate ID in the top right-hand corner of the Amazon Associates dashboard. Remember, the goal is a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Ensure that product listings are clear, and also that customer queries are addressed promptly. By following these steps, you're not just integrating two platforms. You're crafting an e-commerce experience that's efficient, profitable, and customer-centric. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Integrating Shopify with Amazon affiliates is a promising venture. But like all endeavors, it comes with its set of challenges. One common mistake many online entrepreneurs make is neglecting to update their product listings. Prices on Amazon can change frequently, and if your Shopify store isn't reflecting these changes, it can lead to customer dissatisfaction. Thankfully, this is something you don't need to worry about, as the Agora app automatically updates pricing whenever it changes on Amazon. Another oversight is ignoring the wealth of information provided by product reviews on Amazon. Negative reviews or recurring issues mentioned by customers are crucial feedback. By not addressing these concerns in your product descriptions or curating products with high ratings, you risk facing returns, unhappy customers, a damaged reputation, and losing out on commissions. In today's digital age, a significant chunk of online shopping is done via mobile devices. If your Shopify store isn't mobile optimized, you're missing out on a vast audience. A responsive design that offers a seamless shopping experience across devices is crucial. And while we're on the topic of customer experience, it's worth noting that customer service should never be neglected. Even if you're promoting affiliate products, addressing customer queries promptly and ensuring that your customers have a positive shopping experience is paramount. Lastly, the importance of tracking cannot be overstated. Without proper analytics, you're essentially navigating without a map. Both Shopify and Amazon affiliates offer robust tools to monitor product performance, traffic sources, and optimization areas. By staying informed and proactive, you not only avoid common pitfalls, but also set your online store on a path to success. Advanced strategies for e-commerce veterans. For those of you who've been in the e-commerce game for a while, integrating Shopify with Amazon affiliates might seem like just another strategy. But delve deeper, and you'll find a plethora of advanced tactics that can elevate your online business to new heights. First, consider leveraging the power of retargeting. By using Facebook Pixel or Google Analytics with your Shopify store, you can retarget visitors who have shown interest in certain products but didn't make a purchase. Pair this with Amazon's vast product range, and you have a potent combination to recapture potential customers. Another strategy is to utilize A/B testing. Experiment with different product listings, descriptions, and even pricing. See what resonates the most with your audience. This continuous testing and optimization can lead to a higher conversion rate and, ultimately, increased commissions. We'll have a link to more detail on A/B testing in the video description. For those looking to truly maximize profits, consider diving into the world of Amazon's sub-affiliate networks. These networks allow you to promote products from smaller niche categories, often with higher commission rates. By integrating these within your Shopify store, you can cater to a more targeted audience and enjoy better profit margins. Lastly, always stay updated with the latest trends and shifts in the e-commerce landscape. Platforms evolve, consumer behaviors change, and new tools emerge. By staying informed and being adaptable, you ensure that your Shopify and Amazon affiliates integration remains optimized and profitable. Real-life success stories. Success often leaves clues, and in the world of e-commerce, there are trailblazers who have harnessed the power of integrating their site with Amazon affiliates to great effect. Let's explore some of these success stories. The Wirecutter. Before being acquired by the New York Times, the Wirecutter started as an independent product review site. They utilized Amazon affiliates extensively, recommending products and earning commissions on sales. Their site served as a hub for their top recommendations, seamlessly integrating with Amazon to provide readers with a trusted purchasing platform. This is Why I'm Broke. This is a unique website that curates quirky and unusual products. This is Why I'm Broke has mastered the art of affiliate marketing. Their site showcases a range of products, each linked to Amazon through the affiliates program. Their strategy of highlighting unconventional items, combined with the trust of Amazon's platform, has made them a go-to destination for novelty shoppers. Smart Passive Income by Pat Flynn. While primarily known as a podcast and blog, Pat Flynn's Smart Passive Income platform also delves into product recommendations. Through his site, Pat shares tools and resources that he personally uses, some of which are links to Amazon products. His transparent approach, combined with the credibility of Amazon affiliates, has made his recommendations highly sought after. These pioneers in the e-commerce space have shown that, with the right strategy, Amazon affiliates can be a game changer. Their journeys offer valuable insights and inspiration for those looking to carve their own path in the online marketplace. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've covered. We delved into the power of integrating Shopify with Amazon affiliates, explored step-by-step guides, discussed common pitfalls, and drew inspiration from real-world success stories. The potential of this integration is vast, and with the right strategies, the sky's the limit for your e-commerce venture. If you're on the fence about starting your own integration journey, just remember the success stories that we discussed. They began just like you, with an idea and a vision. So go ahead, take that leap. And who knows, your story might be the inspiration for many others in the future. If you found this content valuable, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment with your thoughts or questions. We are here to help and engage with our community. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more content on e-commerce, online selling, and the latest trends in the digital marketplace. Make sure to stay tuned, as we've got some exciting topics lined up for our upcoming videos. Until then, happy selling!